Installation video for our standing keyboard and mouse platform. Installing the tray rail. Remove the front stopper from the keyboard rail by removing the 2 bolts on the front end of the plate. Place the rail in the desired installation location with the bumpers towards the back. Leave 1.2 inches of space between the front edge of the desk and the rail plate. Mark the 6 holes through the rail plate with a pencil, then remove the plate. With a 3/20 inch drill bit, drill pilot holes in the marked locations. Attach the rail plate to the underside of the desk by first installing the 2 screws into the marks that correspond with the key-shaped holes on the plate, making sure to leave a gap of 0.5 centimeters between the top of the screw head and the desk. Slide the plate onto the screws and then install the remaining screws. Then tighten all 6 screws until they are secure. Installing the keyboard arm. Slide the keyboard arm into the plate, then reinsert the front stopper and secure it with the 2 bolts that you removed earlier. Attach the keyboard tray to the arm using the set of 4 bolts. Then attach the tray lever using the set of 2 longer bolts and secure them from beneath with the nuts. Peel the adhesive backing off the bolt covers and stick them onto the tray so that they cover the bolt heads. Place the mouse pad on the desired side of the keyboard tray. The cable management clips can be placed on either side of the arm to keep the cables organized. Final adjustments. Slide the keyboard tray in or out and use the lever to raise and lower the height of the tray. To adjust the tray angle, pull the latch out, put the tray at the desired position, then press the latch back down.